Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for mastering the world of YouTube. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: YouTube SEO. In this video, we will delve deep into the concept of YouTube search engine optimization, or SEO, and uncover the strategies to help your videos rank higher in search results and gain more visibility on the platform. So, let's get started. Cut to the host, sitting in a well-lit room with a whiteboard behind them. Host: Hey everyone, I'm your name, and I'm thrilled to have you join us for this important discussion on YouTube SEO. As content creators, we all know how challenging it can be to stand out in a sea of videos. That's where YouTube SEO comes into play. By optimizing your videos for search, you can greatly increase your chances of reaching a larger audience and growing your channel. Let's start by understanding what YouTube SEO is all about. Cut to the whiteboard. Host: voiceover. YouTube SEO refers to the process of optimizing your video content, channel, and metadata to improve its visibility and ranking on YouTube's search engine. Just like search engine optimization for websites, YouTube SEO aims to make your content more discoverable to the audience who is actively searching for related topics on the platform. Cut back to the host. Host: Now that we have a basic understanding, let's dive into some key aspects of YouTube SEO. Transition to the host standing in front of a computer screen, showing YouTube search results. Host: The first element we need to consider is keyword research. Keywords are the words or phrases that users type into the search bar when looking for specific content. By researching and incorporating relevant keywords into your video titles, descriptions, tags, and even your video content itself, you can increase the chances of your videos appearing in search results. Cut to a screen displaying various keyword research tools. Host: voiceover. There are several tools available to help you with keyword research, such as Google Trends, YouTube's own search suggestions, and third-party tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy. These tools provide insights into popular keywords, search volume, and competition, helping you identify the right keywords to target. Cut back to the host. Host: Once you have your keywords, it's essential to optimize your video's metadata, which includes the title, description, and tags. Your title should be attention-grabbing, concise, and include your primary keyword. The description should provide a comprehensive summary of your video's content and include relevant keywords naturally. Tags help YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about, so make sure to include specific and relevant tags. Transition to a screen showing a YouTube video with closed captions. Host: Another crucial aspect of YouTube SEO is closed captions or subtitles. Adding closed captions not only makes your content accessible to a wider audience, including those with hearing impairments or non-native speakers, but it also provides search engines with additional text to understand your video's content better. You can either upload your own captions or use YouTube's automatic captioning system. Cut to the host sitting in front of a backdrop with YouTube Analytics. Host: Now, let's talk about engagement signals. YouTube considers user engagement as an essential factor in determining the quality and relevance of a video. The more engagement your video receives in terms of likes, comments, shares, and watch time, the higher it is likely to rank in search results. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos, and strive to create engaging content that keeps your audience hooked. Cut to a screen displaying a YouTube channel's homepage. Host. Aside from optimizing individual videos, it's important to optimize your YouTube channel as a whole. Customize your channel's branding, including the banner, logo, and intro video. Utilize the channel description to provide an overview of your content, and don't forget to include relevant keywords. Organize your videos into playlists, as they can help increase watch time and encourage viewers to explore more of your content. Transition to the host showing various social media icons. Host. Promoting your videos outside of YouTube is another effective way to boost your channel's visibility and improve its SEO. Share your videos on social media platforms, embed them in blog posts, or collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. The more external traffic and engagement you generate, the more YouTube's algorithm will recognize the value of your content. Cut back to the host. Host. Remember, YouTube SEO is an ongoing process. It's essential to monitor your video's performance using YouTube Analytics to identify what's working and what needs improvement. Keep experimenting, learning, and adapting your strategies to stay ahead of the competition. Closing shot. Host sitting in front of a backdrop with the channel's logo. Host. And that wraps up our discussion on YouTube SEO. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding the importance of optimizing your content for search. If you have any questions or additional tips, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Fade out with the channel's logo and a subscribe button.